Let's talk about today the preposition, as mostly people have a lot of confusion when it comes for the in, on, and at. As non-native speakers, they do a lot of error, like they cannot understand that they have to use at the home, in the home, on the home. So indirectly, it is very much confusing. If I just give you simple instance that how you can use all these three very easily, and you will find out it's very easy one as well. Indirectly, I can say I'm at bus stand, in the bus, on the seat. At we use when we are on something but we do not know where we are, and in we use when we are inside something. When it comes to on when a person is on the surface. For example, this is the seat of a bus and person is sitting on it, so it's indirectly on the seat. So we can say on we use when person is on the surface, in we use when person is inside of something, and at when person is somewhere on it but do not know where it is. So this is how we use I'm at bus station, in the bus, on the seat. Thank you.